Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix agent terminated due to error in anti-gravity. So it's very easy to fix this error. You need to open up anti-gravity, and the first thing you need to make sure that you have to do is just go to additional options by just pressing on these three dots, and then you'll see the option of MCP servers. So right over here, what you can do actually is check if MCP servers are running, and if it is, just press on manage MCP and you can just simply disable MCP servers. So after that, just fully close anti-gravity and then reopen it, and once you open it and then check if it's working. If it's not working, what you can do is you can just simply check your internet connection, because unstable Wi-Fi can crash the agent instantly. And then next, disable your antivirus or Windows Defender temporarily, since it may block the agent files. After that, just if you don't know how to disable Windows Defender or antivirus, just go to your settings and then just type in Windows Defender or Windows Security Settings, and right over here just go to Windows to open security settings, and just make sure you go to threat Windows, and then right over here just go to manage settings and just make sure you disable it temporarily to to run that. Now go to anti-gravity and check if it's working again. If it's still not working, just simply reinstall and uninstall it, and then reinstall the latest version of anti-gravity directly from the official site, and then restart your PC after installing. Also make sure your drivers and Windows are updated, because outdated system files can trigger this error. And this is how you can exactly fix agent terminated due to error in anti-gravity. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.